The database whose backup or recovery we want to perform using RMAN is known as the target database. And to learn how to perform backup and recovery using RMAN, we must know how to properly establish a connection between RMAN and the target database. What's up Internet? I am Manish from rebellionrider.com. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to properly connect with the target database using Recovery Manager, also known as RMAN in Oracle. So without wasting your time, let's start the tutorial. There are two ways to connect with the RMAN in Oracle database. First, using RMAN target command. Second, using RMAN connect command. In this video, I will show you how to use RMAN target command. And I will explain the RMAN connect command in the corresponding blog, whose link is in the description. For the demonstration, I will be using Oracle Database 21c, which is installed on my local machine. The SID of this database is ORCL. If you don't have Oracle installed, then I have done an awesome tutorial on it. Check that out. You can also check out the blog where I have explained how to find out the SID. Links are on your screen and in the description.
If we already know which database we want to backup or recover, then RMAN target command is something we must go for. Let me show you how you can connect with the database using RMAN target command. First, let's learn how to connect with the container database using sysuser as well as the common user that we created in the previous tutorial. Execute. Enter the password of the sysuser here. Done. So now we are connected with the root container database using sysuser. This connection is established using Sysdba privileges. Another way of connecting with the RMAN is using external user, which uses OS authentication, like this. In this case, again we are connected with the database using sysuser with Sysdba privileges. Did you notice that this time we didn't have to specify the password? This is because / indicates the external user. In case of external user, the authentication is managed by the external services, like the native operating system. I have done a tutorial on how to create and manage external user in Oracle database. For more details, check that out. Link is in the description. Another way to connect with the CDB is by using common user. Let me show you how. This command will connect you to the target database, which in my case is ORCL, using a common user. The user /backup admin that I used here is the one that I created in the last tutorial. We are connected with our common user. Let me show you how you can connect with the target database using net service through RMAN. Here is my tnsnames.ora file. In this file, we can see I have two services. One is ORCL and another one is PDB ORCL. ORCL is the net service for the root container, whereas PDB ORCL is the service for pluggable database. In your case, these names could be different. Anyways, let's connect with the root container using net service ORCL. So far the command is the same as the previous one. Now we will add DNS service to this command like this. What did we do here? We put @ followed by the name of the DNS service. Now on execution, this command will connect us to the database toward which the DNS service is pointing, which in this case is the root container. And here we are, connected with our root container using DNS service. Establishing a connection with the pluggable database using RMAN is very similar to connecting with the root container using DNS service. Let's see. So, in my case, the name of the DNS service which is registered for the pluggable database is ORCL PDB. Let's use this service to connect with the pluggable database using RMAN. Let's use sysuser to connect with the PDB using RMAN. Specify the password. Done. We are connected with a pluggable database using Sysuser with Sysdba privileges. Let's connect with the RMAN using the common user c ## backup admin. That's all we have to do. This command will connect the recovery manager with the pluggable database with which the net service ORCL PDB is registered. Here we go.
These are a few ways of properly connecting with the recovery manager in the Oracle database. Hope you enjoyed watching. If so, then give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, press the thumbs down. But do make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the next RMAN backup and recovery tutorial. Thanks for watching. This is Manish from rebellionrider.com.